Hi. There exists a complex numbers equals a plus bi, where a, b, and real numbers are real numbers such that a is equal to 2b, and 1 plus I times 1 plus c plus c squared plus c cubed, dot dot dot. The magnitude of that is equal to 3. Oops. The product ab is equal to p over q, where p and q are positive integers, no common factors greater than 1. Okay, find p plus q. So we need to find the product of a and b, so that's really just 2b squared. So we just need to find either a or b. Huh. Okay, well this is the same thing as absolute value of 1 plus I times the sum from 0 to infinity of z to the n. So this is just the same thing as it's gonna be z times this plus I times this. So it's not like it's gonna cancel out or anything. So maybe let's recognize, oh, this is a geometric series, so this has a growth factor of z. So this is just going to be 1 plus I times, then it's going to be a over 1 minus r. A is 1 over 1 minus a minus bi is equal to 3. Okay, so we've eliminated the infinite thing, but now we have this fraction. So we have the absolute value of 1 plus I over, and then the 1 minus a minus bi. I'll be right back. I'm back. And then this is minus 2b minus bi is equal to 3. So maybe I should... So, okay, first thing I could do 1 plus I, and then I could use the complex conjugate. So I want to do 1 plus I, and then over 1 minus 2b minus bi, and then we need to multiply this by 1 minus 2b plus bi over 1 minus 2b plus bi is equal to 3. So this is 1 plus I times this. So it's going to be 1 times this, so 1 minus 2b plus bi, and then plus I minus 2bi minus b squared, all over. So then it's going to be this times this. So we're going to have these two, 1 minus 2b squared, because it's this times this, and then it's going to be plus this times this, minus this times this, so those cancel out. Then we get plus b squared is equal to 3. So, simplifying, here we get 1 minus 2b minus b squared. Then all the i's we have plus I minus 2bi plus 1 minus 2b times I all over 1 minus 4b plus 4b squared plus b squared. So this is just 5b squared. 2/3. So now we can take out this part, because this is already magnituded. There's no complex part. So we have 1 over 1 minus 4b plus 5b squared times 1 minus 2b minus b squared plus 1 minus 2b times I is equal to 3. So here, this is the real part, this is the complex part, so we could just replace this with the square root of 1 minus 2b minus b squared plus 1 minus 2b squared is equal to 3 times 1 minus 4b plus 5b squared. Okay. Probably just square both sides. So then if we expand this, we get 1 minus... Oh. Man. Okay. It's gonna be... Oops. Sorry, I'm back. So... This is gonna be... 1 minus 2b minus b squared plus 1 minus 2b squared is equal to 9 times 1 minus 4b plus 5b squared. So this is 1 minus 2b minus b squared. So this is this times 1 minus 2b minus b squared. So this times this times this is 1, this times this is minus 2b, and then we have minus b squared. This times this is minus 2b. This times this is plus 4b squared, and this times this is plus 2b cubed. And then this times this is minus b squared, and we have plus 2b cubed, and we have plus b4. So combined 1 minus 4b minus or plus 2b squared plus 4b cubed plus b to the 4. This is going to be, and then here this is 1 minus 4b plus b squared plus 4b cubed b squared. Oh my gosh. So combining these together we get 2 minus 8b plus 6b squared plus 4b cubed plus b to the 4. That's the left side. Now the right side, we get 9 times 1 minus 4b plus 5b squared, and then we do minus 4b minus 20b to the 3, no, plus 16b squared minus 20b to the 3, and then plus 5b squared, minus 20b cubed, well, and then plus 25b to the 4. So this is just 9 times 1 minus 8b plus 26b squared minus 40b cubed plus 25b to the 4. So we have this is equal to 9 times this. Oh my gosh, this is just not going to be able to be solved. I mean, I can try, I guess. So we have one side where we have 9 minus 72b plus 9 times 26 is 180, 54 is 234, plus 234b squared minus 360b cubed. Be right back. So now, I'll be right back. Okay, continuing. Plus 225b to the 4 is equal to 1 minus 2b minus b squared. Nope. Where did I fully simplify? Minus here it is. 2 minus 8b plus 6b squared plus 4b cubed plus b to the 4. Yeah, I don't think this is going to simplify out. So I'm just going to look at the answer. Yeah, so what they did is they just said, they did something like, just replace this with the absolute value of 1 plus I over 1 minus C, and then they said like, hey, this is just the square root of 2 for 1 minus C. Then they flipped this over, so they said divide both sides by root 2, flipped it over, so I said 1 minus C, the absolute value of that is equal to 3, or root 2 over 3. Or, I don't know, something like that, then they somehow figured it out. I don't know. I didn't do it right. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.